Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have a question on circuit theorem. I'll be glad you pause this video, take a look at the question, then come back to see my solution. Now our question says that in the diagram below, angle 200 is subtended at the center. That is, here is the center of the circle. Now we want us to find x. Now if you look at this shape, let's name this shape. Let's call this A, B, C, and O. Now, the shape in the circle is actually a quadrilateral. Now, we know that the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degrees. Now, from circuit theorem, we know that the angle subtended at the center is twice the angle at the edge. That is, the external angle at O is twice the angle at B. Let's call this my small b, so that the angle at O will be equal to 2 times of B. Now, what is the angle at O? At O, we also know that at O, the total angle at a point is 360 degrees. So that my angle at O plus 200 will be equals to 360 degrees. So that the angle at O will be equals to 360 minus 200, which is equals to 160 degrees. Now, if the angle at O is equals to 160 degrees, we know that the angle at O is equals to 2B. This implies that my B is equals to angle at O over 2. That's the same thing as 160 over 2. So that the angle at B now is given as 80 degrees. Now, if angle at B is 80 degrees, I will know that the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360. That tells me that the sum of angle in the quadrilateral, 80 plus 30 plus 200 plus x equals 360 degrees. 80 plus 30, that's 110. 110 plus 200, that's 310, plus x equals 360 degrees. Therefore, x will be the same thing as 360 degrees minus 310, which is equals to 50 degrees. With this, I hope you understand how I went about solving for x. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.